it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 convertible. This car is finished in beautiful autumn bronze factory color. It's got the black interior with a black convertible top. It is power as well. It's got the original style wheels and tires on it for the 400, the way it's supposed to be. It's got the tack in the hood. Very beautiful car, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to take a look at this 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible 400 right here. This is a true 400 car out of the factory. Absolutely gorgeous. Have a lot of paperwork that goes with the car. I'll show you some of it on the dash as we go around the car here. But absolutely gorgeous car right here. All the interior is finished beautifully. Really, really nice and clean. And we're going to take a look at it. It's got the console. This car does have a 400 engine. It is a built with aluminum head 400 engine. It does have a 700 R4 with the overdrive transmission in it, which is very, very nice. Very nice and clean on that interior. It's got the ashtrays in the back for the kids. So we'll take a look here. All the interior's finished beautifully. For complete frame off restoration on this car right here. And finished beautifully. We grab the key here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk on this car is also finished nice. It's got a nice splatter paint in it. I'll show it to you here. Real nice splatter paint. It's got the shakers on both sides, cocktail shakers. It's got the sticker there. It really, really looks good. Really nice and clean. We're going to shut the trunk lid here. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Man, that sounds good. Cut it off here. All the interior looks good. It's got the tilt wheel. It's got the gas gauge, all the gauges. It's got a little aftermarket gauge cluster there, which is nice. Like I said, all the interior is great. I do have pictures of the top on the website if you'd like to see it up, but if not, it's okay. We have pictures of it, and we can get you a video of it if you'd like as well. Just let me know, I can get that for you. We'll go on around and look underneath the hood here. Like I said, underneath the hood is powered by the 400. It's got aluminum head, as you heard when it was running. Really just sounded good. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Let me let you take a picture of the tag here. Go ahead and pause the video right there. You can get a picture of that trim tag. But really, really sounds good, looks good. And I'm going to have Dad help me shut the hood here. These Pontiacs have a great big heavy hood, and I don't want to do it with just one hand. So Dad's going to shut the hood for me. There you go. And forgot to show you the tack on the hood. Right there has the factory tack on the hood, like Pontiac did and is famous for. But if you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But we're going to take it on the test drive right now and see how this car does. The paperwork that we have here for this Pontiac Firebird. Got the window sticker, original production sheet. Lots of original paperwork. Really, really cool for this car. But there that is. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 convertible for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. I'll show you that tack working real quick. Love the in-hood tack. I think that was one of the coolest things Pontiac ever did. We're going to take this one for a drive and see how it does.
Yeah, Wes, this isn't your grandma's Pontiac here.
No, it will absolutely run. Got a built 400 with aluminum heads.
Kauffman aluminum heads.
And we're gonna see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Got the top down. We're ready to go for a ride. Runs and drives good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Really does good. Brakes are good, don't pull to the left or the right any. Just an excellent running, driving car. We're gonna turn around and head back here. Got an ambulance coming beside us there. I think we were out running the ambulance in this car, Dad.
Wow.
We're going to turn around and head back, and like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car is made of. All right, here we go. Car's got great power. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Yeah. All right, we're almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video.